Ni Lawrence ay
Michael Jackson.
at ang tamang sagot ay Celia Rodriguez. At dahil dyan bumunot kami sa lahat na nag-text ng tamang sagot. Panalo ng 20,000 pesos si... Congratulations! Welcome back to Panahon Ko To! Okay, huli ka Balbon. Our texting lines are now officially closed. Pero kasama pa rin natin, Miss Rene. Your answer was Angelina Jolie. Tama ka kaya? Tingnan natin kung sinong sikat. Sorry, the correct answer is Cameron Diaz, one of Hollywood's highest-paid actresses, starred in films such as Gangs of New York and Charlie's Angels at Exco.
Alright, okay lang yan. Your team still win 15,000 pesos. Samahan niyo kami. Plus 5,000 kasi you open 1 star. Total of 20,000 pesos.
Yes, maraming salamat, ladies. At bukas, announce namin kung sinong lucky texter na may tamang sagot ang nanalo ng 20,000 pesos.
Kung wala nag-text ng correct answer, may 2,000 pesos na consolation prize pa rin kaming ipamimigay.
Team Knowledge, did you have a good time dito sa Panahon Ko To?
Yeah.
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Kayo naman, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, salamat sa pagtutok nyo. Sama-sama ulit tayo mag-reminisce bukas kasama mga bagong grupong palaban. I'm Luis Manzano and I would like to thank Designer Whey Protein, Gold's Gym Executive Optical, Ray-Ban, Swatch, Dr. Manny Pacalayan, Doc Nel Defeme of New Asia Traffic Shoes, and Vans Shoes. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, and I'm Billy Crawford. Thank you very much, Human, Fly Perfume, Swatch, Uni Silver, Kalayan Merger, Ray-Ban, Henry of South Salon, and Dr. Steve Gan. See you again tomorrow dito kung saan ang buhay mo. Ang araw-araw na laman ng kwentuhan. Ito ang
Panahon Ko To!
ang episode ng buhay